documentary news. Microwave entity roaming the streets. This dangerous entity is on the loose. It started as a person in New Zealand collecting a microwave from a junkyard, accidentally tripped, and the microwave fell onto the ground facing sideways, looking happy. Then the person put it on his head and began creating scenes. The picture above shows the entity on a brick wall in a local city, spying on residents. Entity's characteristics. This entity has a microwave head, a long neck, and it walks aimlessly, probably due to the weight of the microwave. Researchers couldn't collect any data on what power this entity has. If you have a microwave that could have a happy smiling expression, do not flip it over on its side. If you flip it onto its side, then it keep the microwave onto its normal side and stay away from it for the time being. If you see this entity anywhere, contact 1-800-FBI find. Reward $500,000.
Step 1. Walk home from work. Step 2. See a strange person walking down your street. Step 3. Make it to your house. Step 4. Notice that the strange person stopped walking and is staring at you. Step 5. Enter your house and lock the door. Step 6. Go to the kitchen and make something to eat. Step 7. Watch the news on TV.
This entity is roaming around the city at this time. Make sure to lock your doors when you are at home. If you have a microwave that could have a happy look, do not flip it onto its side.
Wait a minute, didn't I see that thing up my street?
Call the police immediately.
Step 8. Hear something on your front porch.
Step 10, there are upstairs outside the place to hide.
I need to dial 911.
I know another way to get inside the bedroom. Look for it. Hear someone on the fire escape stairway. Hide behind the shower curtain. Step 5.
Yeah! Ho-ho!
Make yourself known to the world.
July 15th, 2050. The Aimless Moving Beast Incident.